If you're like me, you like the American classics. Muscle cars, hot rods, pre and post-war, trucks, really just any old iron, but all too often, these are left to just rot away. Every vehicle has a story to tell, and together we can bring those stories to life. To scour the junkyards and the barns, searching for the diamonds in the rough. The cars that have been left behind, neglected, and unappreciated. I'm not talking about perfection here. In fact, I kind of like the ones that people might call ugly, the patinas, oxidized woody wagons, or even the rigs with floorboards rusted out or parts missing. These cars are more than just metal and rubber. They're a connection to our past and a true testament to ingenuity and craftsmanship. And by saving them from the junkyard, we're honoring that legacy and bringing that history to a new generation. So next time you drive by an old rig with a for sale sign in it, maybe go ahead and give it a second look, or give it a second chance. And if you do, nobody makes it easier than O'Reilly Auto Parts to breathe life into that old rig.